Components are designed to match the OE performance of your brakes. Z17 Evolution Clean Ride ceramic formula keeps your wheels dust-free. Brake pads tested to ensure noise-free braking. Rotors use G3000 castings and are 100% mill balanced for stock performance and safety. Bolt-on ready. No modifications needed to your vehicle. Confirm fitment with the product description below. Top reviews from the United States. Easy to install and use. Loved how well everything fit and how easy it was to install. Used on my 2008 Chrysler Town and Country. It fit perfectly and has worked great since.